Meaning of higher degree.
Higher degree.
Higher degree.
Higher degree.
Higher degree. A higher degree typically refers to an advanced level of academic achievement beyond an undergraduate degree, such as a master's or doctoral degree. These degrees signify a higher level of expertise and specialization in a particular field of study. Pursuing a higher degree can lead to career advancement opportunities and increased earning potential. However, obtaining a higher degree requires a significant amount of time, effort, and resources. Choosing to pursue a higher degree should be carefully considered before committing to the process.